వదిలేద్దాం. పర్లేదు. Jai Telangana. It is really unfortunate that the NEET exam paper has been leaked. Not only in Telangana, in many states, we are repeatedly seeing this paper leakage issues. This kind of takes away the confidence of youngsters of India on the governments, that could be state governments or the union governments, and especially when a union government fails an exam like NEET, that too when many states have objections on the way that NEET examination is conducted, that there is no vernacular language preferences, there is no transparency in the way the paper is set, etc., etc. In this time and age, if a paper like NEET gets leaked, then the confidence on the government and the main top leadership also, youth of India, is losing. So I strongly urge the union government to take very stringent action, and also to use the technology, the latest technology available, to make sure the exams are conducted in a very transparent way. Thank you. Jai Telangana.